Senator Panfilo Lacson cast doubt on the questionable timing of a Supreme Court petition filed by Senator Alan Peter Cayetano's bloc, coming a day before the special session called by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. R.R. Tubize has more.
Senator Ping Lacson fired back at the group of Senator Alan Peter Cayetano after they filed a petition before the Supreme Court or SC. Lacson said the timing of the petition is questionable because it was filed just one day before the special session called by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. The special session aims to tackle several pending priority measures, including matters before the Commission on Appointments and the formal designation of Senator Sherwin Gatchalian as Senate President pro tempore and acting Senate President. Lacson also said Gatchalian's majority bloc is prepared for any possible move Cayetano may make during the special session. In their petition, Cayetano and his bloc asked the SC to issue a status quo ante order. It is noticeable that Senators Mark Villar and Joel Villanueva are not among the petitioners. They are asking the High Court to invalidate several actions, including the declaration that elective positions in the Senate were vacant, the designation of Gatchalian as leader, the designation of Senator Mig Zubiri as majority leader, and the replacement of Senate Secretary and Sergeant-at-Arms. They also asked the court to stop the Gatchalian bloc from exercising the positions and powers that stem from the June 3 proceedings. They are also asking the court to declare null and void the resolutions, appointments of committee chairpersons, and other actions that came from what they described as an invalid session. R.R. Tubize for The Nation.